Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The video today is I am going to marinate my chicken, and it's going to be chicken adobo. So let's go, join me. So guys, about 2 whole young chicken, and I cut them up and wash them real good. Now I'm going to season it. I'm using soy sauce, that's not enough soy sauce, so I'm gonna add some more to it. It depends how much chicken you have. Okay guys, and then I'm going to put a white vinegar, maybe like 1 cup. I don't use major. And then I'm gonna have some black pepper, lots of it. And this is a whole and crack one. Okay, okay. Onion powder, garlic powder, lots of it, and brown sugar. This one here like a 1 spoon. And then I'm going to put some chicken noir. There you go. That much. And I'll put a little bit of this seasoning liquid. All right. Now I'm going to mix it. Smell good, guys. You just want to coat your chicken meat real good, so your season is blending. This is my style of cooking up a chicken adobo. Everybody have their own style, and this is my style. I marinated my chicken maybe overnight before I cook it. Therefore, your meat is already seasoned and soaked into your meat. All that seasoning you put in it. But if you're in a hurry, by all means, you can cook it right now. But I like mine marinated. for at least for about 1-2 hours. So I update you. See you next video. Hello guys, we're back. We're going to cook our chicken adobo today. First, I'm gonna saute my garlic, lots of garlic. I'm going to make it brown a little. But we don't want to burn it, guys. You just want to let the aromatic come out. Then we're going to add our onion, and I put a little bit of rosemary in there. Rosemary, guys, is optional. Actually, I never used it on my adobo before, but I'm trying out today. Smells so good now, guys. Time checks here, guys, in the U.S. is 10:06 in the morning. Today is Wednesday, September the 4th. I am going in for work today. So, I am going to take this to work, to my coworkers. Yummy. All right. So yesterday, guys, I marinated my chicken meat. Put all my seasoning on it. Now we're just gonna put it over here, saute with our garlic and onion. You see, guys, I'm taking it out of liquid, but I'm not gonna throw my liquid away. Kind of like saute it a little bit, my meat, when I add my sauce in here. This liquid is full of flavor. Halo here because we don't want to burn the bottom of our pan. And that's where my garlic and my onion is. I don't want to burn onion and garlic. This is 1.5 whole chicken. When I make adobo, chicken adobo, I like to make the whole chicken. I like the whole chicken in it. Variety of pieces. I want it breast, wings, in the legs, and all that stuff. Guys, this is the liquid. We're gonna add it later. This is a lot. That chicken was so big, guys, but it said young chicken. So big. It ain't like the chicken in the Philippines, especially the one that raised by country people. They are organic, native chicken. That's what they call it, native chicken. And I remember the old days, back in the day. When I was young, we don't use all these ingredients, nothing but salt and pepper. But they were delicious. That's because they are organic chicken. Okay, we're gonna have this simmer a little bit. Okay guys, it's simmer now, so we can make sure we halo-halo para yung ilalim ay mapaitaas at ang taas ay maipibaba. You know what I mean? Tagalog na lang tao, Bisaya, oy, kay hirap mo mag-English ning dugay na ta sa Amerika. Di man tagyapong kabalaw mag-English, unsa naman na. There you go, guys. Mayroon pala akong nakalimutan, guys. Yung balat ng baboy ba, kasi tinanggalan ng manok, kasi tinanggalan ko ito ng balat. Ay, dapat iprito ko siya, no? Para ilagay ko sa ating adobo. Well, it's not too late. I'm going to fry over here. Yan. Palalabasin ko lang yung taba ng manok para yung aking adobo ay talagang maglasang manok. Yan yung balat ng breast yan. Balat ng breast. Tapos itong atay ay lulutuin ko siya dito. Tapos dudurugin ko at ilalagay ko dyan. Yes! That's the way I cook my adobo, guys. There's a lot of versions of how to cook adobo. Halo na naman. Huwag masyado namang malakas maghalo, dahan-dahan lang kasi ayaw mo naman yung chicken mong mangdurog-durog na, no? So, yan. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi ko pa nga na-add yung pinagbabarang ko dito sa chicken ko eh. Ang dami ng sabaw. Ayan. Guwapa kayo ng chicken na guys. Eh, lami. Guwapa kayo akong pagkahiwa niyan. Mamaya ko na to tikman guys kasi nung binabad ko siya, alam naman ako magluto, measure, wala namang measure, tansya lang, kaya hindi mo naman pwedeng tikman na hilaw pa kasi chicken na ito. Pa yung mga beef, pwede mo matikman yung kanyang liquid pagka binabad mo, pero itong chicken hindi pwede. Magkasakit tayo pag hilaw. Tikman natin yan mamaya kung kailangan pa natin mag-add na kung ano. Kumpleto na yan sa Ricardo guys. Okay? Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung may kailangan pa. Haluin ulit natin guys. So you don't want, ayaw mo yung ilalim ay dumikit. Kaya kailangan halo every now and then. Okay guys. So my American friend out there, if you like adobo, you can watch my video and learn. It's very easy. Wait lang. You get ready to go?
Good.
Yan guys, yung aking balat ng aking chicken ay nagmamantika na. Nakalimutan ko siya kanina, dapat bago ko mag-satay ng yung bawang ay yung mantika niya ang gamitin mo. Pero hindi ko naman sinave lahat ng taba, kaya kunti lang yan. Ayan guys, ang bango-bango. Yan guys, luto na yung aking chicken skin. Nag-reduce na siya ng kanyang oil. Yan. Yan guys, look. Kunti lang siya. Tagtarin ko mamaya tapos ilagay ko dito. Ngayon guys, iniiba kong pagluto. Iluluto ko siya dito sa taba ng chicken. Yung aking chicken atay. Matubig. Yan. I'm very happy with the result with my chicken, guys. Talagang buong-buo siya. Hindi siya. Kasi minsan pag nag-adobo ako, durog. Alam mo yun? So, ito is guwapa kaayo. Tapos ito guys, pag naluto na siya, dudurugin ko siya, tapos ilalagay ko dito. Yan. Ganyan. Ako magluto ng adobo chicken. Ayan guys, yung aking balat ng chicken na pinirito ko, pinalabas ko yung kanyang mantika. At ngayon ilalagay ko na siya. Hiniwa ko lang siya ng maliliit na ganyan guys. Dagdag flavor yan guys. Dagdag flavor to your chicken adobo. Malapit nitong maluto guys. Hintayin ko lang yung ating flavor patay, maluto ng konti, and durug-durugin ko siya, ilagay ko dito. Hina ko guys, ang sarap kaya. Tikman. Ang idadagdag ko lang guys, kunting asin. Ganyan lang. Kasi iba pa rin ang lasa ng may asin kahit na marami ng toyo. Iba talaga ang lasa ng asin. Ewan ko sa inyo, ganyan ako eh. Okay guys. Itong aking liver ay ating durog na. Aluto na. Hindi na natin lutuin masyado kasi hindi na natin madudurog. Titigas na siya. Yan natin siya durogin sa pinaglutuan natin ng balat ng manok. Yan ang magbibigay ng at medyo magpalapot sa ating adobo sa bago. Gayo, ginanyan ko lang siya. Ganyan, durog mo lang konti. Yan. Ang mabubuo ay ang gupitin. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking chicken adobo. Yan. Guys, ang sarap nito. I promise. Yan. Last time ko na itong hahaluin. Hinaan ko na yung apoy. Tatatakpan ko siya. Baka ma-overcook at madurog. Reduce the fire. Titikman natin. Panalo na, guys. Panalo na. Takip. Alright, guys. There you go. My chicken adobo is done. I just want to take this opportunity to thank everyone. Thank you for supporting my channel. My subscriber, thank you so much. My supporter, thank you so much. To not to escape my ads, thank you so much, everyone. So until next time, I hope you learn how to cook adobo on your own when you finish watching my video. Once again, this is my style of cooking chicken adobo. I hope everybody like it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye. Yan na, guys, luto na. Chicken adobo. You eat it with rice, guys, or mashed potato, mac and cheese, whatever you like. But I like to eat it with my jasmine rice. Put that gravy on my jasmine rice. OMG. It's so good. Alright, guys. Till next time. Bye.